So you see, we're back at it again with another one. So we're about to pick up another one, X7. A little yellow thing called a little Bumblebee. Stay tuned.
Where's over there? The brown one? It's beautiful.
You see, I come all the way out from the woods. Come pick up these pocket bikes. Hidden gold. You know, you're getting some good stuff. You gotta go way up the hill.
Man, they got an outhouse right here.
Oh, wow.
That is an outhouse.
There's a half a car.
Where?
I don't see nobody. Nice. Not too bad. It's all there. Nothing seized up, really.
I had it running a week ago. I think I broke the pull cord.
Another one's the X12. Badass bike. True Chrome. I want to ask for this one. Remember this movie? Gotta have your Coca-Cola. Back at the shop. Great offloaded. See what all we need. See if we can get this thing going. A little action. New X7, finally washed down. Time to tune the carburetor. Gonna go through the levers. Fix a little bit of this. New levers on here. We should be going down the block. On one wheel. Time to run in the morning. Oh yeah. What we doing? I'm sorry.
What are you doing over here?
First night out. X7.
Oh, yellow.
Oh, yellow, something like. I want to see if I can wheel this thing.